class I will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus, Samachir Kalvi syllabus. Okay, so we are doing exercise 1.1. I will continue this exercise in this class. Let A is equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is equal to set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to the set of prime number. Okay, set of even prime number. Verify that two questions are given. I will do the sums one by one. Okay, so first one is, it is given in descriptive form only. We will find the elements of the set first. Okay, so A is equal to, A value is set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 8 it is given. So you will get numbers from 1 to 7. Then B is equal to set of all prime numbers less than 8. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So these are the prime numbers. Then C is equal to set of even prime number. So only one even prime number is there, that is 2. So we got the elements of the three sets. Okay, now we do the first sum. So first sum is A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. This is the question given. Okay, so now we need to know the elements of all these things. That is A intersection B, we need A cross C, B cross C, everything we need. So first we will find that one. So A intersection B. So the intersection of A and B. Intersection means common elements between A and B. So A intersection B, it is 2, 3 and 2, 3. 2, 3 is common in both. Then 5, 5 is there, then 7 is there. So A intersection B is 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these are the 4 elements we have common. That is A intersection B is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then A cross C. So A cross C is A and C. We have to write it in ordered pairs. We have to write the Cartesian product for that. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2. I will write it down. So 4, 2, then 5, 2, 6, 2 and 7, 2. So this is A cross C. Then B cross C. B cross C is B and C. C cross, that is Cartesian product is 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. Okay, so we got what are all the necessary elements in that particular set that we wrote. Now we will find the LHS. So LHS is A intersection B cross C. A intersection B cross C. So this is equal to A intersection B is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Cross C is 2. So if we find the cross product of this, we get 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. So these are the 4 set of ordered pairs we will get. So this is the LHS value. Okay. So now we will find the RHS value. Okay. So RHS is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. So A cross C already we found. These are all A cross C. And B cross C is these 4 ordered pairs. So now we will find intersection of this. That is A cross C intersection B cross C. So only that intersection elements we will write. So common for both the sets we will write. That is intersection. So 2, 2. So we will write first 2, 2 is common. Then next one is 3, 2. 3, 2. Then 4, 2 is not there. Then 5, 2 is there. 5, 2, then 7, 2, then 7, 2. So these are the 4 elements for RHS. So LHS we got 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. RHS we got 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS we have proved. Now second sum. Second sum is A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. So second sum is A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Okay. So first one LHS in this B minus C we will find out A cross B, A cross C. So all these Cartesian product and the value of elements of these sets we will find out first. So first if I take B minus C. B minus C means when we compare the elements of B and C, we have to, whatever common is there in both, in that you have to remove that C element which is common, remaining element only you have to write from B. This B minus C, A minus C, A, that and all you have learnt already in class 9. So this is B minus C. So if you take this B minus C, in this 2 is common to both. Okay. After that, that is you have to remove this common term from this and write only the B element, that is B minus C. So C in this B and C, 2 is common to both. So you have to remove that 3. Balance elements are 3, 5 and 7. That is B minus C. Okay, 3, 5 and 7. So that is B minus C. Understood? B minus C is, you have in C, second set, in that second set, 2 is there. So that 2 has to be removed from the first set and you have to write it. That's all. The next one is A cross B. So A cross B is A and B. A cross B you have to write. It is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Okay. Then next one is 2. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5 and 2, 7. 2 over. Then 3. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Then next one is 4. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Then 5. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. The next one is 6. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. The next one is 7. 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5 and 7, 7. So this is A cross B. Then next one is A cross C. A cross C is, A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C is 2. Okay. So A cross C is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2 and 7, 2. So these are the ordered pairs we wrote now. Now we go to LHS and RHS part. So LHS is A cross B minus C. A cross B minus C. So B minus C is 3, 5, 7. So A cross B minus C is all these elements. With this you have to find the cross product. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for everything you have to find the cross product with 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then next element is 2. 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. The next one is 3. 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Then next one is 4. 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Then next one is 5. 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Then next one is 6. 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Then next one is 7. 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So this is LHS value. This much you will get for LHS. Now we will do the RHS value. RHS is A cross B minus A cross C. So RHS is A cross B minus A cross C. So A cross B is this one. A cross C is this one. So A cross B minus A cross C is whatever elements, whatever ordered pairs we have in A cross B. That is 1, 2. These 7 ordered pairs has to be removed from this, and balance we have to write that A cross B alone. So in this first we will write the common. 1, 2 is there, then 2, 2 is there, then 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2 and 7, 2. So this is only common to this. So only this has to be removed. Balance everything you have to write in that. So balance is 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then next one is 2. 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then next one is 3. 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. 3 is over. Next one is 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Then next one is 4. 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Then next one is 5. 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Then next one is 6. 6, 3, 6, 5 and 6, 7. 6 over. Then next one is 7. 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So this is A cross B minus A cross C. Now we will check LHS and RHS value whether it is equal. So this one is 1, 3 is there. Then 1, 5, 1, 7. Then 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. 3, 5, 7. Then 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. 5, 7. Then 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. That is there. Then 5. If one number is missing also, we cannot say that LHS is equal to RHS. So we need to check. So 5, 3, 5, 7. Then 6, 3, 5, 7. 6, 3, 5, 7. 7, 3, 7, 5 and 7, 7. So all the elements are there. So we have checked that LHS is equal to RHS. So with this, I am completing the first exercise in relations and functions. First chapter, exercise 1.1 I have completed. In the next class, I will be doing the next exercise. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.